G'day guys, welcome back to the channel. This is part 2 of my tour across northern Vietnam. In this video we're going to be going up a lake or a dam in a remote area of, like I said, northern Vietnam. We're going to travel about an hour on the boat and then disembark and do a 3-kilometre jungle hike up to a fairly spectacular waterfall. Okie doke, if you're interested, come along for the ride. Cheers.
Okay.
And that's it, we're underway. Boat's just pulling back off the ramp there. And he'll start swinging around and we'll be heading up the river. Okay, it's around about 8 AM in the morning. We're on the Gam River, and the scenery, as you can see, is quite spectacular. This is a less visited and less developed tourist spot in northern Vietnam. It's actually located a little bit north of Ba Bi Lake, so for anybody that's interested in coming here, just keep that in mind. And the area itself is called Nha Hang. Okay, as I mentioned, we've got about an hour to go up the, well, it's not really a river anymore because it's been dammed, so I guess it's a man-made lake. Okie doke, sit back and enjoy the ride. Okay, we've arrived at our stepping off point for the hike. I've just been told that it's actually nearly 4 kilometres, and the trail apparently is not very well developed. It's more of just a jungle scramble. Anyway, I'll go for a bit and see what it's like. Alright, we're only just beginning and it's pretty rugged. We've got a log ladder here to get up to a higher point. Pretty amazing landscape though. These are the 2 local guides that are coming with us. This is the Khoi, the guide from Lynn's Adventure Travels.
You've got a good water. Yeah, the water very cool for swimming.
Alright, we're on the trail up to the easier waterfall out of the two to access. It's only a short hike. I've got Khoi leading the way. And we've got a little bit of a stream crossing to do. That's Khoi from Lynn's Adventure Travel. He's my guide and he's a good man. Beautiful spot. Plenty of water because it's the just towards the end of the rainy season. And once we get up to the top there, I'm going to be going for a swim. Yeah, a really nice spot. And as I've mentioned, as being the rainy season, plenty of water flowing. Yeah, it's a magic little spot, this. Okay, this is a lower level, a bit easier to get to, so this is where most of the people tend to hang out and have a swim.
Come down here.
Okay, this is a beautiful spot. Look at that crystal clear water. And we've got plenty of locals there enjoying themselves. Okay, we're pushing on up to the level 3. Alright, the trail's getting a little bit more rugged. We'll keep pushing on until we get up to the 3rd level. Okay, here we are at level 3. Very picturesque spot. Well, that pretty much wraps up the boat trip out on Gam Lake. It's been pretty good. Some good scenery. Little bit of hiking. Unfortunately, one waterfall I planned to go to turned out to be a bit of a failure. It was pretty savage hike to get up there, so I cancelled that. Went to one that was a little bit easier. Beautiful swimming spot. pretty much now we're done for the day. We're going to sit back, have a bit of lunch and enjoy a cold beer.